it's not only the shark. The possibility kung ita kong drown.
Misa ako, to go back for a year and I can still come back and you're still farming.
Listen. We're all living and learning, okay?
Mano ka quanto que eu bingo ne just to record this shit? No, you.
Hi, welcome back to the onbrand podcast. My name is Angel.
Mi namer ta Rodina.
My name is Joim.
Iawe, nos voy a see Would You Rather. It's like that was actually suggested by Yuitera. Itami other people that follow us on our social. Reminder to follow us on at onbrand.pc. But keep us down. But stay up to date na ik was na spannend met stories, pero tama i-post na kuda reveal in next video kung team coming out. So, today na special Would You Rather, Rodina, Nidra, Inosak, kika e questions nanta, tama pin ko nang. Anto, may ask, anto we have to answer, anto wak, kiko nanta prepara, kwa nanta kis.
Nanta pika?
Si, nanta bruwa nang, bruwa order, bruwa interest, bruwa topics. So hopefully it's a fun person. So we'll see how it goes. First one. Would you rather be stuck in the movie Jaws or Jurassic Park? Jaws the movie The Sharks and Jurassic Park the movie The Dinosaurs.
I mean, that's pretty simple.
I mean, not really.
Oh, and to explain, I'm going to explain why time what the case is.
To me, it's simple.
Okay,
because we live on land. We're human beings. We live on land. Okay, so then Jaws, if I can find a way to get on land, so Jaws the lamang, no. If you can find a way to get on land, then you're good. So I'd rather be stuck in the movie Jaws because I'm to try to find a way to get on land. And then I'd be fine.
Oh, see, but in the middle of nowhere on the
That's why I say
ocean.
Try to figure out a way. But guess what? See, but on land, you're on land everywhere, fam.
Okay.
And so there's nowhere. Como é que eu sei? Jurassic. Dinosaurs. No, but find you like. But to small dinosaurs and that left ko na kisu bitrapi. So it makes more sense to be in Jaws.
Okay. It's weird. Amira ka unang ka pa din elevator man.
I don't have to go in the water. I have to be on land to live.
Yeah.
Because to live on a boat, I still have to go on land to find stuff.
I mean, so, we've seen them Jaws damn tribong ay te morde. Boto ko yen ko.
Boto tatami also.
But ami tabi kis.
Buraco chique ko ito senko.
But see, I'm talking about Jurassic Park.
Yes, me também.
It's not only the shark. The possibility kung ita kong drown and is the ocean. Na di mogelijk. Ano mo ito ba?
Yes. And see, but in the middle of nowhere, the uno the by boat at the base to sink. And the bottom to sink je fast. They mene kung grande buraco ta que man. Ataba da mane puro bay, pero boda mane bay mas low. Ito yung boda sink to. Kiba da hasi. Ye shark run tipo.
Ano ba bay? Or about the Jurassic World?
I mean. I'm pensando gewoon, and so that's because I don't think I've seen the movie. I was never interested in dinosaurs like that. Anyway, point is, mita pensa mi po gewoon find a way pa esconde.
All I know, thing when a 4 Jurassic World movies.
I know, pero nunca ela interest.
Good luck with the modified ones. Good luck.
Masita what Marvel Cinematic Universe compared. I'm pretty sure if we get to one, if I like it, I will continue to watch it.
Mickey Man ko. Dinosaurs na evolve. Jaws.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
Pero
so
taun Jaws movie ta tinto.
Either way, no that you missed the Jurassic World. That's my point. It's not genetically modified. Good luck.
Okay. No, I'm up for the challenge. And like we've seen in the es un muri prome. Ay, ya, lo mismo muri prome no. Because I mean, yeah, at some point, si mi pasali fue ya
koi. So we're about go check out
the video. Yeah.
Who's most likely to.
Yeah.
Mito ko natur ko ang bata bisa. But I think I'm in fear of drowning. This me know que me say a predicament the possibility to drown. Plus in shark, the thing I'm gonna me buy. The ocean is really big. There's not just a shark that we don't worry about. I feel like hope it's so undiscovered. Okay, anxiety. So kita about me pino na kulima mesmo te grita. So I don't know if Jaws is for me. But Jurassic, ito nga ko pasin about Jurassic Park or Jurassic World home. It's weird. I don't know why. Dinosaurs, pero may pasinta wak eko and not necessarily get tired of it.
Okay.
It's been ting biya take home moments. Me ko Charlie's Angels namin. Back home wak is serious and it brings me pleasure.
Yeah.
See, pero when Jurassic Park or Jurassic, I feel like the military is there. Kung tinha possibility pa sa kami, me to make myself useful. I can clean.
Yes, I do the cooking. The Coast Guard, you know what I'm saying? The Coast Guard.
Come on, Nick Minaj.
See, I can do that for the army. My possibilities na hope, like, me reported missing, panapo nyami, panapo track una mita.
Bro, you're also black, you know?
What is that? How is that different from being on land, though? Or being in the water? It's the same thing. Anyway, also, thing 1, Jaws. Thing 1, okay? Jurassic World. Literally, was a quanto dinosaurs thing, and atrobe. There's one Jaws. Sige man ko, Jaws na tayo yuri ba sumis. Jurassic World, it's never stopping. Just so you know, it's never stopping. So atrobe, good luck.
Well, I really love a first movie of so. Baga my first movie of gewoon dingen world.
Ding a world. Dus dan wat dat is poef. Nee, ik hou ding.
Lo me muri no man. But I'll be on land, so on sea.
Really on brand for you, just dying. That's long, bro.
I'm just out here.
It's long, bro. Yeah.
Mabiba genoeg. Si mi me se get stuck ding Jurassic World, mi se kore bij binga si yenko. At some point in it was samen.
Moet niet kore ba train, moet kore ba dinosaur.
Exactly.
I got you. Okay.
Would you rather completely forget the most recent month of your life, or live the same day over and over again for a month? But no mag kies home.
I'm gonna kies edidos. My August was trash, so it's fine. I'll live. See, it's fine. I'll live out the same day. Usually my days are decent, so but August was trash. No kies dia in August. See, that's tough.
Yeah. That's dynamic, man.
See, no, my team 23 I worth of days. We can't just pick one in this August. That's tough. Don't do that.
And the keys, but toughest one talaga.
Sí.
Basta mi pensando toch wel, I would rather forget like a whole month. But so, mi sin uiteindelijk met gain memories. Ora mi kumisa ka. Sobra di a year met gain new memories. Kung natabay po na mi mind kumalubida sa inang. And to paso si mi live it over and over again at some point mit a father and to.
See.
Ito man tabay may sung ko mi
Would you know what the living? So it will be like a Groundhog Day.
I think
day after tomorrow type thing.
At some point, abaso ba amita pensando assim nago abaso ta man realize ku dia ta man mesum dia. And at some point después 30 babisa for a month, sito. Después 30 dia mita realize ku mita based on live in mesum day. Mita man by
question.
No, style pero mita doon I forget all my months anyways. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Me binopokora yung luna. Dokora moments nang ku may type of impact. This I walk me to pensa okay, see me live the same way over and over again. The possibility to make it yung impact to dia. No, may different outcome to dia something milan anyways. And the bisa me to choose today ku pasaki ko me to parudina. Dito pa Saskia. Ando ako hindi ito ba ando re. So December to cause and cause and Kiko? Cause and effect. Sim, tayo sa tapos. Cause and effect, kuta po ne ko ting restart button anyways. This mitaya sa mita kaya kung cause de dia. Everybody else no.
See.
This is style I think I'm gonna say.
Kiss a dia instead of a whole month.
Sí, pues the possibility that's looking me que dia.
Pero ikota atrobe, a question not short and don't have context. But so there's depende like no so thinking about okay everything on the outside keeps happening the same, but I will make different decisions every time.
Sí.
But what if that dimba cabeça bossa kuta at the same day, pero bokuro para que dá assim mesmo constant
Sí.
todo dia? How about that? But
Dan
we can
pensei
get
que
out
foi a mim que
situation.
man, ko a mim
It's different.
uiteindelijk a mim não quer ser coisa só mita fada.
Sim, pensei me perguntar, você tem Groundhog Day,
Routine,
Groundhog Day, bopo, a day,
routinized way of living. I mean, the father is a point.
Pero pensei me perguntar, você tem Groundhog Day, but everything else is the same. Pero I will make different choices. That's why I asked that. Pero sita everything is the same. The bokur pa tahon that go automatically bro. Bo mind, bo consciousness so.
Dan niet, nee.
Yeah, bro. This is the asking the quality now.
No, maar gewoon ponesin. Pero dan niet. Pero somdo ka toevallig mag een película cine. Bij Amazon Prime.
Exactly.
Pero ako na Amazon Prime last time. Anto na gewoon que deve live a day as yung typical yung otro kwanto ultimately na pues como na yung manera pasali. Pero hindi man si mi pa man mi pa essa roupa because tinha luna aí comportable for nós essa.
That's true.
Dus voor dat dia malo se mas que com aquela paz. Sabe, então sempre tem mas lessons dingen say then we forget me whole month.
Then again, well, lessons not short lived, but so what do you learn? What is different? The next day is gonna be the same thing, and nothing long lasting.
I've been convinced.
See?
Sabe como explicar?
Sí, pero esta queda Cuba, sí. El lunes pasa, pero en septiembre ela queda Cuba, sí.
That's true.
Hey, take my August, bro. It's fine.
Okay. Would you rather continue with your life or restart it?
Continue.
Again, context. Would I know I restarted it? Let me keep the same knowledge, my rack up, the same knowledge of wisdom. Die elastic tres aina aqui.
Okay.
Of me to gewoon make een choice en to completely restart en to samen met een gaan doen wega. Character no sabe nada, no tem nenhum skill mas and nada. Could I at least remember?
Pero di kung I will continue and I will explain di to do sa banda. Kung sili ko na.
Let me continue because I don't know. I always say I don't have regrets. Everything happens for a reason. I don't see a point pa man restart and to. Misa, this hindi man si restart. It's always a gamble ko. Pero nasasi ba tabay? Ano ko ba bisa ba tabay kila ko whatever. But learn in the last. Tanto ay ko ba off. But tabay lose it all. And to. So I would rather gewoon continue.
I mean questions. I don't have an answer. I have questions. But so true. Me tabay keep the knowledge. Me keep to in knowledge. Come rack up in 23 years, yes or no? Ita ba itong school, mamisa ba yung institution naman okay bo por seguir bo vida, which is really what it is. Ako por restart and to start at the same place. Kung beso ko is it to the question na kumiti. It depends. Diba to tangibles lang
Okay.
So that's what it. So I don't have an answer. It depends on the perks really.
Okay. For me,
I don't have an answer. No, because it depends.
For me, I'm going to continue because I don't have it in the necessity to start over. I start over with a new identity, a new reality. Otro caminda.
On the run.
Or maybe.
On the run.
Yes, I am a fugitive. No. Or second, me die and come back, that's when I restart. It's like, I think I'm good right now. The necessity, the money. Niet even kung si missing and knowledge toch? I don't want to do this shit again. Not knowing kung misa to ko na ikaba.
Sí, ito men ko ora ba drive. Ano ba sabay ay di novo?
Sí.
Tamane ben hier voor. Moet je nanta struggle man, tamane this is easy. No.
Yeah.
So the difference of but not choose but drive though, you know?
Yeah.
You know, pasó mi knowledge. Sí, pero then again, that means it's always a choice. Tune in to our next video on popular opinions. Stay woke. But see, no, but for real though, like si misa to the that's exactly why I would do it again. It's not a necessity, it's an option. No mistake, but si I could do everything better. And learn more and to rack up double the knowledge at the age of 23. Makinabo. Meting 23 my whole past knowledge of a 23-year-old and meeting me new lifetime of 46 years of knowledge. That's mad.
But 20 just everything stays the bome série, see. The family, but friends and time, better kita paso na.
Como kita paso na?
I would just start, but I go back to being a baby.
You that would be the question, sis. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't think, no, I'm gonna start over. So I feel like, I'm a buy back na square one. Kuturin na sige, kanang ko nang, I'm gonna say no.
That's how. Sige, buy out to start.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's Robert. Dream logic, man.
That feels like being a vampire.
Which is one of my biggest fascinations.
Okay.
If you know me, I love vampires, but it's great. Super speed, like flight. I don't know. Immortality. It's great.
No, I wouldn't know no pork with garlic. I can't.
So that's a myth, though. That's a myth, though. It didn't be vampire, but I'm super Vampire Diaries, super Twilight. It's different. It's different things.
I'm not into vampires like that. So.
I like the idea of immortality. I like the idea of hiding abilities. It's dope.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, superpowers.
Would you rather live on a farm or backpack Europe for a year?
I'm going to backpack Europe because we need to experience more things. It's really that simple. On a farm, you do the same things every day. That's literally what you do on a farm. You kids see milk and cows in India. It's long.
Does it have to be a farm cuckoo, animals cuckoo?
Or else it wouldn't be a farm, sis.
No, mita cause crops.
What do you want to pick? You want to pick crops? Is that what you want to do?
I'm good. Plant of course. That's the idea of a farm.
Either way, you're gonna do the same things every single day.
See, but I'm not be sina beperkt.
Maar dan van you just said book was in beperkt. So what book Wait. Hold on. Show now.
But so see me live it over and over again at some point with a father. I mean, okay, I say go with a father. For a year.
No, live on a
No, live. That's what you do. That's all you do.
Yeah, die me cansa met bij als outra coisa.
No. Ik kost bisa live on a farm.
See, pero bisa forever.
But
so, bisa forever. So, ay pa decidi ko dia or me cansa di ekoy ando mi talanta bay ando mi tabasi outra coisa.
I'm to go backpack for a year and I can still come back and you're still farming. How about that? I will backpack for a year in Europe. I do the same day. Sí,
pero Kiko, is this the system? A mí me se pasó me decidi bay ko farm, me se queda así farm forever.
That's what she said.
She didn't say forever.
She didn't say forever.
She did not say forever, so I mean, me puedo así farm.
By the fact que ela bisa a year na di dos, e outro me pode assume que tá forever. Context, they woke.
A reason di ko ponen na, but some to feel like to dos, ti que me coi. Como dice que? But the non-promise. To those that require commitment and style. Living on a farm, but crops, but best not take care of. And to backpacking.
I don't want.
No ta. I think a commitment di man but what a kid on caminda. What am I saying?
See, ma comprende que como que man. But I don't want animals. That's one.
Pero.
And.
No
Minota mira like backpack? Bruh. Mano, quanto goes my bingo ne just to record this shit? No, you.
You know que animals, but I can prefer que on a farm. How is that? Wait, what?
Baba, si mas
But pero você, I can look, minsan siguro si ito beneficial, but just have crops so sing have animals. Pero
my family knows this. We have chickens on the farm in Bonaire, and
she's halfway there, guys.
No, I prefer
she's
plants.
Halfway there.
Okay.
Die bijna po creëren aan de kaas, but okay.
Listen. We're all living and learning, okay? Live, laugh, love. I think them luck is farming. I feel like it fit me character more than backpacking was backpacking is not sustainable to me for me.
Okay.
Di kong at some point make cas. Taong. At some point make cas. At some point make mas cos. I'm not a minimalist.
I
try, pero plus minsan ting effort fully backpacking to me ko nota tu cosa de mi mang. And so I think say me money a year I feel like I will get tired. I feel like that's when I get used to it, but it's not something that's sustainable
a week
for me.
But a week I can go backpacking. That's it.
Yeah.
That's fine, interesting. So knowing you guys, bastante fada de eu ia miss costo dia.
Pero farming...
Tem hobby... A mim tá pensa que tem hobby hectare. Eu posso hobby coisa riba.
Esse é me tá
See, but that's also more things to do.
Well,
That doesn't
I
mean-
can have horses, I can walk in nature.
En já bang
Read a
nos
book.
farm, dan is like
See,
go
I feel
backpack
like
for a year.
go out in nature. I feel like
See.
bota sali foi
I
See,
love
not in
that.
nature than Europe and not in nature. I can't.
Sim, pero farm kita é importante em Europe.
Juist.
Pero me quer backpacking tem hope changes também.
See, I think for a year, we can experience a lot, and after a year, even before the year, rather, I can do whatever the hell I want.
Inderdaad.
Ja.
That's the
Ah,
it's a year is importante. Per se, maar specify a year top importante because
Okay.
I do this for a year, rack up all this experience, and I still can go home and bisa, and do whatever the hell I want. So, me lang
Yeah.
farm ke bos nang, me lang farm bandi bos nang. Kiko wo,
Mas também kan bij vizinha.
Não, hoje é competition for nos crops não cuco.
No.
Get out of
I'm
here.
to farm outra coisa.
farm you.
Whatever else. So, basta na si mana bosa? I don't know.
Ah, but
Corn,
that take
amita
care-
si, I don't know.
I would
Patia.
take care de best na and to take care de mata na and to
É bem se não a horse, eh? Like
One
that's
horse. One horse.
Mas sabe para quanto quando não quer se coque, não quer se coque. Ainda não farmers, bro. You have what you have.
É na farmers that kids that can take care of them na farm.
Exactly. Amita by. Basta aqui
Because we're also
basta aqui.
vegetarians.
Yes.
Nós não também actually eat pork, chicken,
Ay, si nos tinan, nos também tinan as like family members.
Right.
But you just said you don't want animals.
Si, ma kama bisa, take care the
horse.
Mas você
Singular.
tem joint farm ou
at this point, yeah.
See?
While
Wow, se você farm tá hectares, você sabe com hectares.
Hectares?
abot yung kasi
Nasa
bana,
gaya,
ang
kasi-
kasi kibana.
Sim,
Então,
eu tô com buraco,
Pero foi wega to me também digo makis like farming cause atrobe faco mi também alha green anto is solitude. I like that. It's like there's a peacefulness to that at least.
Mas é mais biológico farming, you know?
See, me miss the planta me kona which I really like. If you know me, you know that that's what I like. So to me, it's what I would prefer.
Okay.
Yeah.
I respect it. I just like to argue. That's really what it is, honestly. Like, we get it.
At this
See.
point, si ba na asiya ekoy dan
I don't like to argue. I like to have discussions. Don't get it
Right.
twisted. See.
Right.
yeah. Dan ki pa ako rihibo miss.
Hey, look. Si não corre mes, quem vai tomar para si Pablo?
Yes,
Come on, bro.
true.
Come on now.
True.
Okay, next one.
Eddie, I'm always honest. He doesn't say I'm always faithful. Stay woke. Stay woke. That was funny. That was
Cut
funny.
camera.
Yes.